Choose you this day whom you will serve. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord.
Roofed reconditioned air conditioner done and house in order with a lot of extras, including a special reveal at the end. A couple of weeks ago, I found an air conditioner in front of the neighbor's place by the garbage can, ready for trash pickup. I'm not sure how long it had been sitting there, but I had some trouble with the water in the cord, so it must have been sitting there for a few days. In fact, that was the biggest problem I had, aside from the fact that it was just in really dirty shape. It needed a good cleaning, and the condenser on it was smashed up quite badly. I went ahead and took an hour or so, fixed it up, straightened it out. It ended up sitting on my floor for a good week and a half. Then I went ahead and got it up in the back window, and the day after, I set it up into place and sealed it off and figured out a solution to keep the rain out. Alright, it's time for an update. I finally got that filter in from my free air conditioner I got off the side of the road. I got it installed. I found a good use for those COVID masks to fill in the corners that I couldn't caulk up. And you might be worried, well, what about it leaking? Well, I'm going to show you an awesome solution to that when I get around to the outside. But first, a few things I'd like to show you. As you notice, look at my bedroom. It's actually quite a bit in order, including under the bed. Even it's straightened out. I'm going to take that cardboard, and as you see blacking out the windows, and line it up over here. I got a washing machine that I use about every day or 2 days whenever I get half a load or load of laundry. It's been kind of nice, and it was easy to catch up in a couple of hours using it. Got me my kitchen areas and bathroom cleaned up, set up. Got me an extra shelf here now to help me with transferring food and stuff from the oven or stove burner when I'm using it right there. The reason why I do that is so that if I want to, I can close this off and shut this door and keep all the heat in here and the AC out there. And boom, I made me a ventilation system. How about that? Now I got me a solid ventilation system to complement the cooking arrangement and the HVAC arrangement, or I should say the air conditioning arrangement. Coming to the kitchen, and I'm proud to say I've been keeping up with my dishes for a while now. Everything under there is all clean and organized. Same with under there, although I'm still trying to find places to put everything so I can have all that completely cleaned out to the wall. Same with those drawers, I'm trying to find a place to mount those. Got that stereo for 50 bucks with 7 channels, and needs a remote and a button and some programming. Might hook them up to my Danvilles, put them up outside for a little while and everything. Got my drill and tools and all my little mobile cables and connectors and boxes and hookups. Surround sound going on. Finding places for my instruments and everything. Just upgraded this to 16 gigabytes of RAM. Like literally just got done shooting that video and haven't even hardly got a chance to sit down and play with it, except I can tell you this, it is snazzy. My computer doesn't load YouTube or Google much faster than it did, but once it loads, man, just woo, what a difference. All right, so got my cordless keyboard. That mouse, after hitting the ground so many times, finally gave up. I gotta find a replacement for it, because I mean, I could glue the battery back in so I don't have to use the cord on it, but just, you know, I mean, but it's $20. I don't know if I want to spend $20 on another mouse when I can still use that one, and I got an extra one for it. All right, that might have been too much. Anyway, got myself a whole bunch of food, including about 80 to 90 cans worth up in there. Got me a month's worth of coffee ahead, a month's worth of bird food, and I'm fixing to go grocery shopping. So I just got my deposit. So how about that? I got them locked up, because we're going to go outside and go check out the outside of the AC now. And would you look at that? I found an amazing solution for leaks and efficiency. Keep it out of the sun, keep the sun out of the window, and keep the rain out. And it was pretty easy. Just took a sheet of this that was a little longer than the window, bent a sharp edge right there, long enough to go, and I shoved it up underneath there, screwed it in. Then another one over here long enough to cover up a little runner board. Put a couple pieces. I'll probably redo this with some more permanent wood, and I'll probably take some more pieces like this or something and run them like that. But that idea was so easy to just toss up and get done so it doesn't leak right now. And short of a hurricane, it should hold up. But I'm gonna do the same thing over here and over here. And I get this whole corner of the camper RV covered up in those things, because that was just a snazzy idea. Same thing with this. I got a little leak right up between one of those two. That's why I got a cup sitting there to catch it, and there's really nothing I can do about it except maybe try what I did over there. Make me a little panel over there and keep it out of the sun and rain. But anyway, the porch is going on. Oh, and to top everything else off, I got that weed eater running, but I think I ended up getting some bad gas, or leaving the gas out, and it got bad in the rain. But yeah, it starts and runs, and it's, like I said, put some good gas in it if everything goes right. Put a head on it that I like, because it's got those little blades I don't care for. I like the, you know, I don't know, bump and goes. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed.
Answer the phone, Joshua.